In skyscrapers jungle of Manhattan, there's giant company that shapes the direction of the world. Economy BlackRock. It doesn't run flashy ads. It doesn't own glittering bank halls. But many call it the invisible empire of capital. The story began in 1988, when Larry Fink and a small group of partners founded BlackRock in New York. At the time, Wall Street was undergoing a turbulent transformation. The bond market was booming. Financial derivatives were becoming fashionable, but risks ran wild. Fink had a sharp insight. The future of finance wasn't just about making money, it was about managing risk. From the beginning, BlackRock chose a different path. It wasn't built to gamble, it was built to guard. From managing just a few $1 million in its early days, BlackRock has grown into a giant overseeing more than $10 trillion, figure equal to twice the GDP of Japan. Its reach is everywhere. It invests in energy, technology, medicine, real estate, and government bonds. It is a major shareholder in Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and countless other companies. If you own a pension, buy a mutual fund, or live in a city apartment, chances are BlackRock is quietly involved in managing part of your wealth. The true magic of BlackRock lies in a system called Aladdin, a risk management platform that acts like an all-seeing eye. It processes global market data in real time and analyzes the risks of millions of portfolios. More than 200 financial institutions rely on it, including central banks, insurers, and asset managers. In other words, BlackRock doesn't just manage its own money, it provides the risk brain for much of the world's financial system. If Goldman Sachs is the kingmaker of Wall Street, then BlackRock is the silent operator, feeling the pulse of global finance through its algorithms. But with such scale comes suspicion. A saying often circulates: no matter what company you look at, behind it, you'll eventually find BlackRock. In housing, it has been accused of driving up prices by buying homes in bulk. In energy, it invests in both green technology and traditional oil. Politically, Larry Fink frequently meets with world leaders, fueling speculation that BlackRock is shaping policies behind the scenes. BlackRock denies conspiracy theories, yet it's hard to ignore that it can redirect the flow of capital and, in doing so, influence the fate of nations. BlackRock is the quiet emperor, unseen, but everywhere. It doesn't need headlines or billboards, because whenever you swipe your credit card, pay into your pension, or buy into a mutual fund, your money may already be under BlackRock's gaze, calculated and watched over by its all-seeing Aladdin system. The story of BlackRock is the story of global capital at its most hidden. It reminds us that in today's world, real power doesn't always sit in the hands of presidents or parliaments. Sometimes it hides in an unremarkable office tower, written into a few lines of code.